One way to figure out my change that I would get back from a dollar, if I had a dollar minus 56 cents, I could take my 56 cents in coins and I could count on. So if I was counting, I'd go 25, 50, 55, 56, put your 56 cents off to one side. Then from 56, I would count on 57, 58, 59, 60 cents. Now that I made it to 60 cents, I would be counting on with dimes, 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, a dollar. Now that I'm at my dollar, I've made it up to my total amount over here. I would count how much change I would be receiving back. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 cents and change.